What's up, you guys? Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Once again, I am on a pre-drywall inspection, and once again, they have installed insulation before I arrived. This isn't ideal, but there's still a lot of stuff to see, so let's go take a look. Now, I like that we've attempted to tape flash these wall penetrations. However, this isn't how you do it. This is just going to allow water to get back over here. This should be taped much better than that. You should tape across the top and then down the sides. And in this case, when it's actually coming through a hole like this, it's better to just have one piece of tape that goes all the way around, is stretched all the way around it. This way right here is just going to allow moisture to get in the structure. We have this black poly right here. It should be fully covering up the corner of this foundation right here, because they're going to put brick or stone out here, and when they do, the brick and mortar is going to touch this material, this concrete, and these materials expand and contract at different temperatures. This having a gap in this material right here is what causes the corner cracks that we see in foundations, and so ideally that would be patched up a little bit better over here. These wall penetrations right here, they've been taped a little bit better, but then you get over here and you've got one that's very similar to the one that we saw before. This isn't done well at all. This joint right here requires some tape. You can see we don't have any overlap really at all, and they started to tape it, but then they stopped, so we definitely need some tape on this joint. This type of wall sheathing right here requires that the nails are flush with the sheathing, and you can see we've overdriven a bunch of them here and here, here, and many other ones, creating a hole, and now the moisture barrier of this structure has been compromised, so they're going to need to come through here and tape or caulk over all of these overdriven nails and holes. Here's another example of that going on. I don't even know what we were attempting to do here, but this definitely needs to be fixed up. These type of things cause moisture intrusion. They got to get fixed. I'm trying real hard to figure out what the nail pattern was that we were going for with this siding install. First of all, you see down here that at least most of the nails are line nailed. They are behind the siding. So why do we have all these extra nails in the face and just kind of randomly placed nails and holes throughout the siding? Not sure I'll get an answer to that. At least not an answer I'm going to want anyway. Here we go again with wall penetrations poorly taped. This isn't even the right tape, but obviously, it's coming right off. That's going to leak. So we have more poorly flashed wall penetrations here, and you can see that water can just easily get back here. But this is the one that really gets me here. This is quick flash products, and these are great products, but they're just not installed properly at all. I'm not even sure what we're trying to do with the tape here. I mean, we didn't tape across the top at all. We didn't tape across the sides. The way this should be installed is tape should be done on both sides and then across the top in a shingle-like fashion to shed water, but this just isn't done right at all in any way. Now, I will say, for what I can see, the inside of the house was actually pretty good, but there's a couple of things like this. Missing joist hanger fasteners. We have one right here and another one right here. There's several more of them in different areas of the house, but we won't go through all those. We also have a plumbing pipe right here. This PEX line here, it's not properly secured, so that could cause it to bang around inside the wall cavity and make all kinds of noise. And while we're on the subject of water lines, this is not how I like to see PEX stubbed out. You can see that they have put some straps here, but there's nothing to keep it from moving around inside the wall cavity. There's different materials that they have to secure this PEX line in place so that you can have a proper stub out. This isn't my favorite way of doing it. Now, it seems like these jacuzzi tubs are coming back in style. I've seen a few of them lately, but when we get down here and start checking this out, let's see if you can see it, but I don't see any bonding. This motor housing should be bonded, and we got a lug back there with no bonding wire to it. This just emphasizes why getting these pre-drywall inspections is important. You can take this report, give it to your builder, and they can address these issues before all that drywall goes on and covers all these issues up. All right, you guys, I got to get out of here and get to another inspection. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm out here. I'll catch you on the next inspection.